So, andito tayo ngayon sa Maricelo Villas in Las Piñas City to check a new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So, let's go and check this out. So, ito yung dalawang units. 43.5 square meters each. And pareho siyang 2-bedroom unit. Fifth floor, Almeria building po tayo. So ito yung bedroom 1 and then yung bedroom 2. Ayan. Meron siyang balcony. Yan ang view niya. Ayan. Ang maganda dito sa unit na to, pareha siyang may parking. And yung presyo niya around 3.2 million for bidding po to. Okay? For bidding. And available in cash or at least 10% down payment. And then 90% balance through bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So ito yung unit, magkatabi sila, adjacent. Pwede nyo bilhin separately or pwede nyo bilhin ng combine. It's up to you. And then ito yung isang unit, over and under cabinets. Ayan, may plastic cover po. It looks like hindi siya nagamit. Okay. And then ito yung bathroom niya. Ayan, may plastic cover din. And then bedroom 1, yung aircon provision, hindi nabuksan. So, hindi talaga siya nagamit. And then ito yung isa pang kwarto, meron siyang access to balcony. Ayan. Dati yung palaisdaan eh. Ayan. And then city view siya. So if interesado kayo dito na mag-bid and magpa-schedule ng viewing appointment, please message us directly. Again, this is for bidding. And malapit lang po tayo sa Cavitex. Dito to sa may Padre Cerca Avenue in Las Piñas City. So going to Makati on a normal day kapag hindi rush hour, kaya siya ng mga less than or more or less 45 minutes. So again, if you are interested, message us directly.